In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a supplier bill in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or anyone who works with financial records, learning this process can help keep your accounting up to date. So let's get started. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. If you're not already on the login page, head there and click on the Sign In button. It's your gateway to accessing all the robust features QuickBooks Online offers. For those of you seamlessly using QuickBooks Online, make sure you select this option as your choice. It's specifically designed to cater to the needs of online financial management and offers a user-friendly interface. Next, enter your email address or user ID and password. Once you've got your credentials typed in, hit that continue button to log in securely. Make sure that you regularly update your password and maintain its confidentiality to protect your financial data. Now that you're in, navigate over to the Expenses tab. This is where you'll find all your business expenses neatly listed. QuickBooks makes it easy for you to track, manage, and edit expenses without having to sift through piles of paperwork. Within the Expenses section, look for the Bills option. Clicking on it will lead you to all the supplier bills currently recorded in your system. As you review the list, find the specific bill that you need to edit. There will be a small arrow on the right side of each listed bill. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will display a drop-down menu with a variety of actions you can perform on that bill. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Edit Bill. This option allows you to make modifications to the bill's details, adjusting the data as necessary, whether it's changing the amount, correcting dates, or updating supplier information. When you're in the editing screen, take your time as you start editing the transaction. Double check that all figures and details align with your latest records. Accurate data entry is crucial, as any discrepancies can lead to financial inaccuracies down the line, potentially affecting your business's reporting and decision making. Satisfied with your changes? Excellent. The next step is to save your work. Locate the Save and Close button and give it a click. This will ensure that all modifications are securely updated in your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. You've just successfully edited a supplier bill in QuickBooks. Remember, keeping your financial records up to date is key to maintaining accurate books and ensuring the smooth running of your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.